you believe a young craftsman built a solar-powered vehicle in his own workshop that runs using nothing but sunlight? No expensive research team, no billion-dollar company, just creativity, determination, and a passion for clean energy. His eye-catching sky blue, three-wheeled vehicle glides smoothly down country roads, combining practical engineering with a unique handcrafted design. At the heart of the chassis is a powerful silver electric motor connected to the rear wheel through a bright red drive chain. The chain is carefully adjusted and lubricated for maximum efficiency, and an assist pedal is added as a backup power source. To ensure stable handling, he welds a strong front bicycle fork with a heavy-duty suspension spring, then installs responsive handlebars, brakes, and a gear shifter for precise control. Next, he builds a lightweight aluminium frame to support the solar panels. Every tube is carefully cut, polished, and securely fastened, creating a durable platform that captures energy directly from the sun. The electrical system is just as impressive. A battery pack is mounted beneath the frame, while neatly organised wiring connects the batteries, controller, display, and electric motor into one efficient power system. After installing a comfortable seat and making the final adjustments, the solar-powered tricycle is ready for the road. This incredible project proves that innovation doesn't always require a huge budget. Sometimes all it takes is skill, imagination, and determination. If you enjoy creative inventions, DIY engineering, and amazing recycling projects, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next incredible creation.